who else shopped the Sephora sale. Honestly, I thought about not shopping it, but then I realized I did have some products I wanted to restock on, and also I just really wanted to try some new products and also review them for you guys. So I did buy some things, so I'm gonna share what I got. Firstly, I really wanted to get some items from Sephora, specifically their new rosemary shampoo and conditioner. I love their original shampoo and conditioner. They worked so well for me, and the conditioner makes my hair so soft. Here's what the new rosemary shampoo and conditioner packaging looks like. I'm super excited to test these out. So if you guys have tried these already, I'd love to know your thoughts on them. I'll definitely be doing a review for these, so keep your eyes out for that if you are interested. I also picked up the Sephora the hand retinol, so super excited to try this out. I actually did try it out last night. It's in my room, but this is just the box for it, but picked up this as well. And then I also got the Sephora the acne or the body acne wash. Honestly, I don't really get acne on my body. I decided to pick this up. I just wanted a new body wash in general, but maybe I'm not the right person to test this out because I don't really get body acne. Normally I've just experienced it on my face, but anyway, decided to test this out regardless. And then I also picked up this Sephora favorites set. This is the Your Clean Hair Care Besties. It includes a full size of the Day styling cream. So here is a full size of this. I love this product. It's so nice for slick back looks and for just like taming frizz and everything, and it smells amazing. So that was basically almost the price of this box, which was $39, and this on its own retails for $30. So I thought that was a good deal, and it would give me the opportunity to try some other hair care products out. With a variety of little mini hair care products, so excited to try these out. I'll probably do some individual reviews for the hair care in here, so keep your eyes out for that. Make sure you're following if you're not already. And then I also picked up the Day Dry Shampoo. I've been wanting to try this for a while, ever since it launched, so I decided to pick it up during the sale. Super excited to try this out. I honestly have not found a clean beauty like hair dry shampoo that I've really loved a lot yet, so I'm very hopeful for this one. It looks really good. So let me know if you've tried this and what your thoughts are on it. Then I also restocked on one of my favorite products. This is the Say Glowy Super Gel in the shade Star Glow. I've gone through like 2 of these now, and I just absolutely love it. I just ran out, so I wanted to get another one. And then I also restocked on one of my favorite brightening under eye concealers, or just under eye products. This is the Rare Beauty. This is the Positive Light Under Eye Brightener in the shade Light. I love this. I just ran out of it, so I wanted to get a new one. And then I also picked up a mini version of the Westman Atelier Petite Lit Up Highlighter Stick in the shade Nectar. I have been wanting to try this for so long, and originally I don't even know if they always had a mini version of this, but I couldn't justify spending the full price on a full-size one. Plus, I still have a mini of their bronzer stick, and I love it, and I still have a lot of views left for that, even with the mini, so I figured a mini would definitely be the way to go for this highlighter stick as well, so I'm super excited to try this out. And these, even the mini sizes, they just last forever, so super excited to test this out. And then I also picked up the new Say Beauty Concealer. This is the Slip Tint Radiant All Over Concealer. Here is what it looks like. I actually did just use this for the first time today under my eyes, and it does blend out really nice. Here's a look at the applicator, kind of a larger-ish doe foot applicator. I'll definitely do a review for this at some point. And then lastly, I wanted another good like skin tint, so I decided to get the Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint. Absolutely love the Summer Fridays mineral sunscreen, so that's why I decided to try out another one of their base products, because I just love that sunscreen so much. It's so lightweight and so nice, so I'm excited to try out this skin tint. If you guys have tried any of these products, let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you did shop at the Sephora sale, I'd love to know what you got. I'm always interested to learn about what products you guys are loving or what products you guys are testing out, so definitely let me know in the comment section below. But there is everything that I got at the Sephora sale. And if you didn't shop the Sephora sale, respect.